Hello. This video of Regal Assets is going to be a quick review of how Regal Assets stacks up against its three main competitors. Regal Assets is a company that can help you buy precious metals such as gold and silver, but more importantly, they can also help you create an IRA retirement account backed by those same precious metals. They offer a free information kit which will give you the details as to why you must do this in today's economy. And also, they will discuss with you what to look for in a precious metals IRA rollover company. All in all, it's really good information for you to absorb. But for now, let's get on with the brief review of how Regal Assets stacks up against their competition. As you can see in the chart, the information was gathered from the Business Consumer Alliance organization, the Better Business Bureau, and TrustLink. These are three well-respected consumer advocates. As you can also see, the individual companies are stacked up vertically in the first column, and their ratings in each category can be read right to left horizontally. We're going to start at the bottom and work our way up on the first column. As you can see, the first company is Merit Gold. It has a AAA rating from the Business Consumer Alliance, but also has 66 complaints filed in the last 3 years. They have no rating or complaints from the Better Business Bureau, and have a 5-star rating with 667 reviews from TrustLink. Not bad overall, but I would definitely do my due diligence and check into those 66 complaints filed at the Business Consumer Alliance. As we move up one, you can see that Lear Capital also has a AAA rating from the Business Consumer Alliance, and yet also has 46 complaints filed. They seem to have no rating from the Better Business Bureau, and yet they have 18 complaints registered at the Better Business Bureau. It also looks like they have a 4-star rating with 181 reviews from TrustLink as well. Obviously, this company has some issues I'd look into, and I'd recommend you do the same, especially those 46 complaints at the Business Consumer Alliance, and I'd also check out the complaints at the Better Business Bureau as well. Again, moving up one more, we have Roseland Capital. As you can see, they have only a single A rating with 16 complaints from the Business Consumer Alliance. They have an A rating with 4 complaints from the Better Business Bureau since March of 2013, and a 3-star rating with only 19 reviews from TrustLink. I would check out the complaints again from the Business Consumer Alliance and also the Better Business Bureau. And the 3 stars with only 19 reviews at TrustLinks gives me a little pause as well. Finally, as we move up to our last and first company as it is, Regal Assets, as you can see, has a AAA rating with only 1 complaint in the last 3 years from the Business Consumer Alliance. They also have an A+ rating with 0 complaints from the Better Business Bureau and a 5-star rating with 304 reviews from TrustLink. I would recommend that you pick up the free informative gold kit put out by Regal Assets that teaches you not only about the gold IRA rollover, but also teaches you how to research these companies to see which one would be a best fit for you. And as you can see by the ratings already, I think a great place to start would be the Regal Assets. So go ahead and order that gold kit. You can simply go to regalassetskit.com, just fill in your information, and they'll send it out to you right away. Thank you very much, and good luck.
Liberty Head gold coins. These rare gold coins were minted between 1849 and 1907, making them fundamental to collectors and investors alike. Liberty Head gold coins are available now at Regal Assets. These rare gold coins contain 90% gold and were official U.S. currency until 1933. During the Great Depression, most gold coins were melted down, further increasing the value of the surviving Liberty Heads. Investing in Liberty Head gold coins has an historically profitable record of favorable gains. Since 1933, these gold coins have grown over 7,500% in value. Designed by James B. Longacre, the obverse of the $20 Liberty Gold coin features Miss Liberty, encircled by 13 stars representing the original 13 colonies. The reverse features a bald eagle behind a striped shield. An olive branch and arrows are clenched in its talons. The Lady Liberty found on the $10 Liberty Gold coin was designed by Christian Gobrecht. It too was minted until the year 1907. Like the $10, the $5 and $2.50 Liberty heads are also graced by Gobrecht's Miss Liberty, with her hair in a tight bun with a few loose curls falling down her neck. Look for the mint date below the bust. The bald eagle is proudly displayed on the reverse, with the coin's denomination engraved across the bottom. The most valued Liberty Head gold coins are mint state grade and come sonically sealed in a PCGS or NGC holder. These coins are preserved to maintain their pristine, uncirculated quality, and due to the low number minted, are in great demand from collectors. If you're looking for a valued addition to your existing coin collection or want to diversify your current investment portfolio, consider Liberty Head gold coins. Regal Assets is your trustworthy source for precious metals. Our long-standing tradition of putting the client first and taking the time to educate new investors has earned us a reputation for quality and service. Take the most affordable prices, adapted to the specific needs of Internet investors. Add real-time staff, real-time pricing, and secure ordering. That's Regal Assets. Visit us online at regalgoldcoins.com or call 1-888-700-9887 to talk with your account executive today. Regal Assets, physical precious metals for your long-term security.
Hi, my name's John, and I made this video to share with you my research on doing a gold IRA rollover. Since my financial future and my family's relies on my IRA choice, it is important I choose the right company. And after reviewing the most popular gold IRA companies, it becomes very clear that they differ immensely, which is why it is so important that you choose the best gold company for your needs, or you could end up paying greatly. My advice is don't just go with any company. Before choosing a company to handle your gold IRA investment, it is critical that you do your research and be aware of a couple of factors, such as additional fees and hidden fees. Some companies will charge additional storage fees and administrative fees when setting up your gold IRA. What's worse is that many companies will also have scaling admin fees, which will go up as your account increases in value and cost you even more over the years. After doing extensive research on how to safely invest in gold, I found that the highest rated and most reputable company is Regal Assets. They hold an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and have a 5-star rating with TrustLink based on 447 customer reviews. Regal Assets has just one small flat administrator fee, and they will also pay all of your first year dues on retirement accounts. And if that's not enough, they will also guarantee fast and efficient access to any gold ordered, which is backed by a 7-day delivery.
You wouldn't dare not insure your car and leave yourself vulnerable to costly collision damage or a crippling liability lawsuit. You insure your home to protect against fire and even more frequent natural disasters. You have health insurance to pay for catastrophic illnesses, injuries, and debilitating medical conditions. Yet, in spite of these safeguards, many of us find ourselves dangerously exposed to another, even more likely threat: economic collapse.
We're down 400 points at 10,721.
But now we're down 738.42. Now, and that eclipses the previous larger
Financial ruin. As we witnessed in horror in 2008, world markets can plummet and fortunes vanish in minutes. People everywhere saw their life savings decimated, their jobs terminated, their houses seized, and their futures placed in dire jeopardy. Think it won't happen again? Government, has done virtually nothing to protect us from the next financial crisis, reluctant to prosecute the criminals who caused the last one, allowing Wall Street to continually manipulate the markets and issue securities no one understands, letting banks gamble with your assets with little risk to their own, while the global economy teeters on the brink of another even more terrifying breakdown. You may feel powerless to protect yourself from the devastating scenarios like these, but you're wrong. There is one solution that has worked for thousands of years as an antidote to financial chaos. Gold. That's right, gold. Just putting a modest portion of your assets into gold, as little as 10%, protects you in multiple ways. First and foremost, in times of severe economic crisis, gold is the one investment that retains its value when all others implode. In fact, it usually appreciates dramatically, as we saw after the 2008 crash, when the precious metal soared from roughly $700 per ounce to over $1,900 by 2011. Imagine, when everything else is tanking, your investment in gold could be amassing huge gains, affording you the financial stability and peace of mind. Little wonder the savviest investors, from billionaires on down, allocate a portion of their assets to gold. Gold also protects you from inflation, which is now expected to return with a vengeance. And if the economy really starts to heat up, watch out. Prices will spike, potentially setting off spiraling inflation that can severely slash your buying power and the value of stocks and bonds. Gold, however, thrives during periods of inflation, a safe haven that preserves the value of your hard-earned money. Finally, gold is simply a very smart investment, a rare commodity whose limited supply cannot keep up with the growing global demand for it. When you think that all the gold mankind has ever extracted from the earth amounts to less than the volume of a 10-story building, you can see why so many are so driven to own it. It's time you've claimed your share of gold. Right now, a recent market correction presents an excellent opportunity to buy before the next run-up. Don't miss out. At Regal Assets, featured in Forbes magazine, we make it safe and easy to purchase gold, silver, and other precious metals. See for yourself. Request your free Gold IRA rollover kit right here, right now. Learn the facts about gold. It's more than a great investment. It's your economic insurance policy.